Ever felt like you're constantly playing catch-up? Like you missed the boat on some crucial financial knowledge that everyone else seems to have? That feeling? That's a money block. It's the nagging sense that you're behind, that you're making mistakes, and that you'll never truly achieve financial security. This isn't about blame. It's about recognizing a common hurdle. Many young adults burdened with student loans, minimal savings, and the pressure to keep up struggle with these invisible barriers. It's time to confront these blocks head-on and rewrite your financial narrative. Understanding them is the first step towards breaking free. Subscribe now to unlock the secrets to overcoming these hurdles and building a brighter financial future. Perhaps you avoid checking your bank accounts, putting off budgeting, or feeling too intimidated to even start investing. These are all symptoms of deeper financial anxieties. Maybe you grew up in a household where money was constantly tight, creating ingrained habits that are hard to break. Or perhaps you've made some costly mistakes in the past that continue to haunt you, preventing you from moving forward. Recognizing these underlying issues is crucial for creating lasting positive change. The good news is, these blocks are not insurmountable. They are simply limiting beliefs and ingrained habits. With conscious effort, education, and the right strategies, you can dismantle these barriers and pave the way for a more secure and fulfilling financial life. Don't let these blocks define your future. We'll tackle common money mistakes, debunk harmful myths, and provide practical steps you can take immediately to improve your financial well-being. We'll explore budgeting techniques, investing strategies, and debt management solutions tailored for young adults like you. The world is brimming with opportunities to build wealth, far beyond the traditional 9-to-5 grind. While a stable job provides a foundation, limiting your financial horizons to just a salary is a missed opportunity. This generation possesses unique advantages: access to online resources, gig economy platforms, and a global marketplace that previous generations never had. The key is recognizing and leveraging these assets. This part explores diverse avenues to generate income, expand your financial potential, and break free from the constraints of a single income stream. Even something as simple as social media management for local businesses can generate steady income. The possibilities are vast and cater to diverse interests and abilities. While it requires research and understanding, early investment can significantly impact your long-term financial success. Education is key. Many free resources exist online to learn the basics of investing. This is perfect for those seeking a work-life balance or simply extra cash flow. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. Explore various income streams, leverage your skills, and embrace the opportunities available to you in today's dynamic economic landscape. We'll move past the superficial latte factor discussions and focus on strategies that truly make a difference. Next, health insurance is non-negotiable. Medical emergencies can cripple finances. Understanding your coverage, exploring options, and prioritizing preventative care are crucial to preventing unexpected and potentially overwhelming medical bills. Balancing the costs of car ownership, insurance, maintenance, fuel, or public transit costs is necessary for financial planning. It allows you to budget effectively, reduce unnecessary expenses, and allocate resources to build wealth. Prioritizing these areas is the foundation upon which you can build a secure and prosperous future. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making informed decisions to achieve your financial goals. Let's dive into some tangible methods to get you on the right track. Finding a budgeting method that suits your lifestyle, whether it's the 50-30-20 rule, zero-based budgeting, or envelope budgeting, is key to understanding where your money goes and making informed decisions. Developing a debt repayment plan, whether it's the debt snowball or debt avalanche method, allows you to systematically eliminate debt and free up cash flow for savings and investments. Further, explore investment options. Once debt is managed and an emergency fund is established, allocating funds to investment options like index funds, ETFs, or even real estate can generate long-term growth and increase your financial wealth. Starting early is crucial. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can yield significant returns. Seek out reputable resources. Read personal finance books and listen to podcasts to expand your knowledge and refine your strategies. Staying informed is critical to making sound financial decisions. In the realm of finance, this means approaching challenges with a sense of controlled adventure, learning from failures and adapting your strategies as needed. This is the mental fortitude that sets you apart from those who remain stuck in financial stagnation. A yokai mindset means acknowledging the potential risks associated with financial decisions, but also being brave enough to venture beyond your comfort zone to achieve your financial aspirations. This isn't about reckless spending, but about calculated risk-taking with thorough research and understanding. Instead of panicking, use these moments as learning opportunities to refine your strategies and strengthen your resolve. Resilience is a key component of achieving long-term financial success. Don't let temporary setbacks derail your progress. Don't view these moments as failures, but rather as valuable lessons that contribute to your financial growth and wisdom. The yokai mindset is about courage, resilience, and a persistent pursuit of your financial dreams, even amidst challenges and uncertainty. It's about transforming fear into strategic action. Avoiding these traps will save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. Letting fear or greed dictate investment decisions is risky. Making decisions based on market fluctuations rather than a long-term strategy can lead to impulsive actions with negative consequences. Stick to your well-researched plan. Focus on sustainable long-term strategies rather than get-rich-quick schemes. Regularly rebalancing ensures your portfolio aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. The right system will save you time, stress, and money. This requires a more detailed approach, but it provides a comprehensive overview of your spending habits and helps identify areas for improvement. Spreadsheet budgeting is a flexible option where you can create your own customized budget in a spreadsheet, tracking income, expenses, and savings goals. This provides complete control over your budget categories and allows for detailed analysis of your spending patterns. The key is finding a system that works for you and consistently tracking your income and expenses. The debt snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. This provides psychological motivation as you quickly see progress and gain momentum. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate, simplifying payments and reducing monthly expenses. The most important step is to create a realistic plan, track your progress, and stay disciplined. This simple act can save you significant money over time. Utilize comparison shopping websites and apps to easily compare prices from different retailers. Give yourself time to consider whether the item is a need or a want, and if it's a worthwhile investment. Investing can feel daunting, but it's a crucial step towards building long-term financial security. This section demystifies investing for beginners, providing a foundation of knowledge and actionable strategies to get started. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your wealth grow. ETFs are similar to index funds but offer greater flexibility and can be traded throughout the day. Rebalance your portfolio periodically. Over time, your asset allocation can drift from your original strategy. Regular rebalancing ensures your portfolio remains aligned with your risk tolerance and goals. Compound interest is the interest earned on your initial investment, plus the accumulated interest. It's the snowball effect of money growing on itself. Compound interest is a fundamental concept in finance, and understanding it is crucial to achieving financial success. This is a powerful avenue for long-term financial growth. Real estate investing entails more than just the purchase price. Factor in property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and potential vacancy periods. Side hustles offer flexibility and the potential to boost your income. This section explores diverse side hustle opportunities, helping you identify profitable ventures that align with your skills and interests. These can significantly improve your financial situation. Freelancing platforms offer a wealth of opportunities for remote work, enabling you to utilize skills in writing, design, programming, and more. Remember that consistency and marketing are essential. Building a successful side hustle takes dedication and effort, but the rewards can be significant. Books: The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, shielding you from unexpected events. This section emphasizes the importance of building an emergency fund and provides practical strategies for achieving this crucial financial goal. This is your cushion against unexpected life events. Even small amounts saved regularly over time will accumulate. Taxes can be confusing, but understanding your obligations is crucial for responsible financial management. This section clarifies tax basics for young adults, helping you navigate the complexities of filing taxes and maximizing your financial outcomes. Maintain organized records of all income and expenses throughout the year for efficient tax filing. This section provides a roadmap for retirement planning, emphasizing strategies tailored for millennials to build a strong financial foundation for their later years. Diversify your retirement investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and potentially enhance returns. This section emphasizes the importance of insurance for young adults, highlighting essential coverage options to safeguard your assets and well-being. Renter's insurance protects your belongings in a rental property. This is a cost-effective way to protect your possessions in the event of damage or theft. A strong financial foundation is built over time with consistent effort and strategic planning. This section summarizes key elements for building long-term financial success. These strategies are the cornerstone of enduring financial stability. Consistent budgeting helps you track expenses, identify areas for improvement, and allocate resources effectively. Stay disciplined and patient. Building long-term financial success requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Don't delay. Start building your financial empire today. Let's make this happen together. What are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video in this series. It's about creating a future you're proud of, financially independent and secure. Join the movement and become the architect of your own financial success.